Hi student, myself Viditi Sankhe, and today we are going to learn your first lesson of science, laws of motion. First, we will see study point. So first point is the motion and second point is distance and displacement. First is motion. In our everyday life, we can see motion of several objects. Here, I have given pictures. Some pictures have present direct motion, some have indirect motion, and some pictures have absence of the motion. You have to observe the picture and find out the answer. Yes. So here are in the picture of a flying bird and a running motor, there are we can see the direct motion of that object. In picture of lying stone and sitting man. In this picture, there are motion has been absent. And the next picture is solar system. In solar system, there are also present the motion because the planet has revolved around the sun, which we can't see directly. That's why in that picture we can see the motion indirectly. Understand? So from above this explanation, here we can define the motion, meaning of the motion. The motion is if the position of an object is changing with respect to its surrounding, it's called the motion. Here I have given you the concept of the motion. You can read from that slide. If the position of an object is changing with respect to its surrounding is called the motion. Now we will see second point named displacement and distance. So first we will see the distance. For that I have given you a picture. In that picture, in the first figure, there are distance is given by the three ways, upper and down side. The distance is given by the string and middle side. There are the distance is given by the dotted line. So you have to observe that figure and tell me which distance is a proper distance. So yes, here are the dotted line distance which is given by the arrow, dotted line arrow, line A and B. This distance is a proper distance. Now, in a second figure, here are the distance between school and Sheetal and Prashant house is the same. But on the way of school, Sheetal first went to the Sangita's house and then she went to the school. That's why Sangita need to travel path A plus path B means 500 meter A and plus 1200 meter total. Sheetal need to travel 1700 meter path and Prashant went straight to school. That's why he need to travel only 1300 meter. So difference between the both travel is 1700 meter minus 1300 meter is equal to 400 meter. From that above explanation, we can define the distance. So distance is the length of the actual path traveled by an object. Now, meaning of displacement. Displacement means the minimum distance between starting and finishing point. As shown in this following figure, here are every morning Swarali make round the edge of circular field, which field have 100-meter radius. So find out the distance and displacement of a Swarali. For find the walking distance of Sorali, we have to find out the perimeter of that circular field. And the perimeter we have to find out with the formula as 2 pi r. By using the formula 2 pi r, we can find out the walking distance of a Sorali, which we have found that 628.6 meter. This is a Sorali's walking distance, and her displacement is a 0. Why her displacement is 0, which we will see in next slide. Look here. Look, in first figure, Swara's traveling starting point is from A, and after make complete round, her traveling finishing point is also A. So here is no distance between the starting point and a finishing point. That's why Swara's displacement is a 0. Same way, in the second figure, here are the car's traveling starting point is from P to Q, and again car return back to the P point. That's why here are cars traveling starting point is P and the finishing point is also P. That's why there is a no distance between the starting point and finishing point, and so the car's displacement is a 0. That's why. So here are displacement is the minimum distance between the starting and finishing point of the travel. I hope you all understand the concept of motion, distance and displacement. Now this is the time of home assignment. Remaining part of the lesson we will learn in a next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.